Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the image I'm gonna be using as my reference for today's art. So please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and please comment down below and let me know what you think of the outcome. So with this image, what I usually do is start with the eyes and the outline of the eyes. I do the pupils, the shine of the eye, and I feel like my style is very basic for those who are following along, and I've been following along in my other videos. I do speed the video because it's very slow if I don't speed it, and we're gonna be here for hours and I know we don't want that. But remember, you can always slow down the process of the recording of the video. One thing I've noticed is I don't like the brushes as much for Procreate because of I struggle getting the brush to use for the lashes, but I don't know, like I said, I'm still learning, and as I learn and I discover better brushes, then I'm gonna share that with you. So that's what I used for the eyelashes and the eyebrows, as some would say. And then I just use black for the outline, and my kind of style for digital art is basically outlining and coloring. I feel like I'm just tracing the outlines, the strong outlines for the image, and then coloring them in the way I see fit. And that's basically how I learned how to do digital art, or my type of art style is what I would say. So yeah, so with this image I decided to practice because practice makes perfect. So then I decided to try this, and normally when I'm starting an image I never really know what it's gonna look like or if it's gonna be something I'm happy with towards the end. And in this case you'll get to discover with me what the outcome was, because it's pretty much just following along with the outline and in my style of art, just to see whether I'm gonna like it or not. So you guys will let me know what you thought of it, and whether you guys usually try like images, like when you get references and you see images, then you decide to do them, and whether sometimes they come out good or bad, or whether you're just always happy with yours. So I don't know, I feel like one thing I'd say is, even if you're not sure or if you don't like the process, because sometimes when you're doing your work and you see the process, like now she's bald-headed and you're probably like, she looks a little bit crazy. But one thing I'll always say is trust in the process, because you'll notice that when you continue doing what you're doing and you just keep going, it's gonna work out and it's gonna be good. So I usually do like working in layers, because as you've noticed, with the layers you can always go back and change the colors, as I did with the lips, because I just found that I preferred the red lipstick as opposed to the pink, which was just not vibing. So from here henceforth, do enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna speed it up so that you guys can enjoy the art process, and yeah, check it out. Remember, you can always reduce the speed and just follow along if you want to copy. I'm using Procreate and using mostly the brushes. So yeah, see you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Bye.